Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. So, welcome back to another video. So, today our topic is if we don't want this content view class specific with the naming and we have to use another name for that main content file. So, what we have to do for that? So, first of all, we have to create the project which we already created in the previous lecture, like you see in my previous video. So for that you have to just delete that file, like click on that and hit delete and move to trash. Okay, so the next thing you have to go to file, new file, and you have to choose SwiftUI and you can name it anything. I'm using Apple framework grid view and hit enter. It's create a new file for that. So when we just build scheme for that, so the next thing we have to change for that, to remove those issues, we have to change the name of that here as well. So instead of this view we have to use the view which we have created right now, Apple framework grid view. Okay, when you go back to the screen, and here you see it's showing hello world and it's resolved the issue. So hopefully you enjoy the video, and if you really like and you want to have another videos related to iOS development and SwiftUI, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get the latest video update as well. Thanks for watching and happy coding.